Hello everybody and welcome to the video notes for problem number 5 of our day 1 review. Let's get right to it. Consider the number line below. A is here and C is here. And it's telling us if C is greater than B and B is greater than A, under which of the following conditions could the expression B is greater than 2 be true? Select all that apply. So this is a little bit tricky because you look at this number line and you don't see the number B. But it is telling you that B is greater than 2. So what you can do is you can put an imaginary B anywhere on this number line. I'm going to put it right in the middle because I know that C is greater than B and B is greater than A. So B is going to be somewhere in between these two. I also know that B has to be some number bigger than 2. And then I just go through each of these answer options one by one. When A equals -2 and C equals 2. So I can actually go ahead and write these in. So if A was -2 and C was 2, okay, could B, if it's in between these two numbers, be bigger than 2? No, it can't because 2 is already over there. So this doesn't work. Cross these out. Let's try the next one. When A equals 0 and C equals 8. Okay, so this was 0 and this was 8. Could B be in between these two numbers and also be bigger than 2? Yes, right? Because B could be 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7, and it would work. So this works. Okay, how about when A equals 9 and C equals 1? So if A is 9 and C is 1. Well, already we see something's not quite right because the number on the right side is always supposed to be bigger than numbers on the left side. And in this case, 1 is smaller than 9, so these numbers are actually out of order, so these don't work. And that answer option doesn't work. Let's try the next one. When A equals -3, okay, and C equals 3. Can B be in between these two numbers and greater than 2? Well, in this case, B could be bigger than 2 if it was something like 2.5, right? Because 2.5 would be before 3, and it's also greater than -3. So this works. And then for the last one, if A is -6 and C is -1, so if A is -6 and C is -1, can B be bigger than 2? It can't because it has to be in between these two numbers, and on the right is -1. So it would have to be some negative number, but B has to be greater than 2. So this last answer option doesn't work. So what we did was we set up B so we know around where it has to be, and then we just tried each of these answers one by one and eliminated the incorrect ones.